First-time home buyers Liat and Zack want more room for their family, but their next home needs to have an extra-large kitchen.
We have a kosher kitchen, which means that we keep our meat and milk separate and a whole bunch of other things.
We spend so much time eating and preparing food and everything that Judaism tries to put a bit of spirituality or a bit more thought into the whole food experience.
Liat and Zack have a budget of $510,000. So Drew has found a home with everything they could want. Drew takes them to a fixer-upper with the potential to be their dream home.
Here we go. It's a detached home. It has 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2,400 square feet with a beautiful backyard and a nice sunroom. I do want to tell you guys one element that I know you're probably not going to like. This house is actually backed onto a train line. You don't like that at all?
She's not into it.
But since the train line at the first fixer-upper wasn't a selling point, Drew is showing them another option in the same neighborhood.
It's an 1,800 square foot semi-detached house. It has a full basement and 3 bedrooms with a potential for a 4th. I think this is a really great option for them.
Will they choose the dark railway dwelling with a $70,000 renovation budget and a 4-week timeline? Or the Mirror Manor with the same $70,000 reno budget and 4-week timeline?
I think we're going with the dark railway dwelling.
Okay, great choice.
After 4 weeks of renovation, it's time to see the results of all that hard work.
Okay, eyes closed, edging forward to the kitchen. Open up.
Oh, wow.
It's amazing!
This is amazing.
We wanted to make sure this was a true kosher kitchen. You needed to have your dairy and your meat split, so you want a little more prep space for the meat side. I figured that's what this would be on your left. And over here, we would have the dairy 2 dishwashers, 2 sinks, a double oven, and look at the size of this fridge. Hold on a sec, there's something else we did here. I think you have a new living room.
Whoa.
It's amazing.
Do you remember this used to be the dining room, and we swapped the 2 spaces?
Right.
This is a much better use.
Looks so much better, yeah.
So much better. I just can't wait to have people here. It's
this-
so, like, cozy and
This is
inviting.
amazing. Yeah. Look at the candlesticks on the mantles.
Candlesticks.
The shelves are amazing.
Yeah, very
Like
cool.
they
This is so
the same
cool.
theme.
It's so cool.
These past it looks amazing.
The flow-through countertop is stunning. It looks beautiful, brand new, high-end, and there is a lot of added value to this home for having something like this as a feature.
Wow, this is incredible.
So nice.